Hello everyone, this is Swami. Welcome to Code by Swami. In the last video, we implemented and discussed about lookup method injection. In this video, we are going to understand P and C namespaces in the Spring framework. If you want to perform setter injection on Spring Bean, we need to use property tag. Instead of writing lengthy property tag declaration under Bean tag, we can replace with the P namespace. Similarly, to perform constructor injection, we need to use constructor-arg tag. Instead of writing that lengthy tag, here we can replace with the seam namespace. Okay, let's move to Eclipse IDE to implement P namespace for setter injection and C namespace for the constructor injection. Okay, let's move to Eclipse IDE. Create the application, file, new, Maven project, click the checkbox, next. Give the group ID com.code by Swami, artifact ID 13, P and C namespace application, version 1.0, click finish. Okay. Open the project, go inside pom.xml file. After the version tag, I am writing dependencies tag. Inside dependencies tag, I want to add Spring context dependency. For that, go to browser. I am using Chrome browser. Search with mvnrepository.com. Enter Spring context. Enter. Choose Spring context. Select the latest version. Copy the dependency, go inside the project and paste it. Above the dependencies tag, I am using Maven compiler plugin Java 8. Click this link, copy the properties tag, go to pom.xml and add above the dependencies tag. Align the code. Let's close it. Just update the project, Alt F5. Finish. Yes, it is updated with the 1.8 version as well. Maven dependency is also added. Okay, let's create one class under src main Java. I am creating employee class, employee com.code by Swami .beans. Finish. Here I am writing some properties: private integer emp id, private string emp name, private double emp salary. I taken three properties. For that I am adding default constructor, setter getters and toString method. Alt Shift SO, deselect all, click generate button. Alt Shift SR, select all, click on generate button. Alt Shift SS, click on generate button. Here toString method, required setters and getters, default constructors are added. I am ready with the employee. Let's close the file. I am creating one XML file under src main resources, other, search with Spring Bean configuration file, click next. I am giving file name beans.xml, click on next. I am choosing as of now beans and context. Later I can add some more. Next, finish. Yes, XML file got created along with the required schema. In that, I am creating one bean definition. Bean name is equal to employee, class is equal to employee, fully qualified name, property name is equal to emp id, value is equal to I am giving 741, like that. Same like emp name, I am giving value Swami, as well as emp salary, I am giving some salary like 56,000, like this. AIS to align the code. Yes, I am ready with the beans.xml file also, means configuration file also. This time I am creating the test class to test the application. Test, I'm changing beans to test. main method, new class path XML application context, give the file name beans.xml, returns application context, context dot get bean of here employee dot class, returns employee object only. This time I am printing employee. Sysout, I am printing employee. Let's run the application. See, here this is the output. But my focus is not like this. Go to XML file. Here I want to add p namespace for the setter injection. Here I am using property tags 3 times. Means here 3 times I am using the property tag. Instead of that, choose the namespaces. Click on namespaces option. Namespace. Here I am selecting p namespace. Here I am selecting p namespace like this. Click here. OK. Again come to source. Click on source. Confirm whether p related schema is added or not. Yes, it is added. As of now, everything is fine. See, I am copying the same code. I want to show the difference between p namespace as well as previous code. See, this is a previous code. This is also same like that. Here what I am doing, I am removing these properties after employee class. After class, here I am writing p colon emp id. I am writing some 100. Don't give commas. P colon emp name. I am giving this time Swami dot m. P colon. Why I am giving like this? To show the difference. EMP salary I am giving 85,000 this time. I am closing the tag here only. For that I am removing /beans tag. This 2 lines of code equal to this 4 lines of code. So I am deleting this code. Save. Go to test class. Now run the application. Yes, here also we are getting output. Instead of writing property tag, just you have to declare p. That's enough. This time I want to work with constructor injection. As of now we completed p namespace. I want to work with the c namespace. For that, going to employee class. Here I am commenting setter methods. Up to this I commented. Instead of setter methods, I am taking constructors. Parameterized constructor alt shift s4 select all generate. See here, parameterized constructor is added here. Okay. Go to beans.xml. Here I am not taking anything. So here also I am commenting this. Save. Here I am writing bean definition. Bean name is equal to same employee. Class is equal to fully qualified name of employee. Here constructor -arg value is equal to employee ID. I am giving some 696. Next employee name. Here I am writing. Here I am writing salary like this. Let's go to test class. Let's run the application. Yes, we are getting output. But I don't need like this. Here I am writing constructor -arg lengthy tags 3 times. For that I need C namespace. Same like previous. I am using namespace. I am going here. Here select C related namespace here. I am choosing this. Click here. Okay. Same. Go back to source. Click on source. Same thing here. You have to confirm whether C namespace is added or not. Yes, here added successfully. Same like previous, I am copying this and paste here. Both the codes are same, but this time what I am doing, I am removing construct-args. After class, I am writing C colon emp id. This time I am writing 111 C colon emp name. C colon emp name. I am writing this time victory. C colon emp salary. Emp salary. Here only I am closing the tag. Further not required this bin. Okay. Let's understand this 2 lines of code is equal to this 5 lines of code. So I don't need this, just delete it. Go to test class. Let's run the application. Yes, we are getting. This is the output. What we achieved as of now, we are done with P namespace and C namespace. Okay. Thank you everyone. If you like my content, please do subscribe.